I am so excited to start filming fashion videos again. Like, I've got so many prepared. People do better. Hello, I'm Styleboy and welcome to my world. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about my favorite summer trends that you guys need to try out. Yes, both boys and girls are included in this video because I thought, why not? Seeing as I love women's fashion and I am a male myself, I then can dabble into both worlds. As Hannah Montana says, you get the best of both worlds. In today's video, I thought just to try it out and why not show you guys my favorites. So we've got 2 for women, 2 for men, and we are going to be showing you, I will be showing you like my favorite pieces, where to get them from, and I'll tell you how to style them. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you guys can get a little bit more, you heard me, a little bit more info, and so you are up to date with all the fashion content I'm about to prepare. Oh my god, you don't know how excited I am. Including this, I've got 4 videos prepared. I'm so excited for it. But without further ado, I think we should begin this video, so let us begin. So this is women's first, and the first like trend for women which I'm literally obsessed with are wrap dresses. Now they are literally everywhere and they are so beautiful. I think wrap dresses are honestly the most flattering dress on any size, on any body shape, on anything, and the reason is because most wrap dresses have a v-neck, so when you wrap it around, for girls who've got boobs, it's gonna obviously accentuate them, and girls who don't have any boobs, it's gonna give you the illusion of them. All of the time they won't be sleeveless. They are definitely gonna have a sleeve, whether it's short sleeve like this or 3/4 length, which is my personal preference. So for people who are insecure about the arm, ta-da! Then you tie around the waist. So for girls who don't have a waist, you can create the illusion of one, and for girls who do have a waist, girl, your waist's gonna be popping. And then of course a little flare. It's quite a cute little flare. It's not like a boom, like an A-line, or it's not like a bodycon which just hugs you. It has the right kind of flare, and honestly, it's so beautiful, and it's just such a beautiful shape. And some of them even include ruffles. So girl, get your girly vibes on. My personal favorite from the high street at the moment, so there's one from Pretty Little Thing which is actually my favorite out of the 3 out of these. Seriously, this one is so cute. I don't know how much it is, but it's so cute. Like literally, I can imagine this literally going to like a picnic day with like a straw bag and a pair of either Birkenstocks, a pair of platform cords with like a wide headband, your hair in a ponytail. Oh, so cute. The second one, if you're not really into print that much, is from Nobody's Child. Awesome brand, which have their own shop online. They also sold at Topshop and they're sold at ASOS. And this one's good if you don't like print, and also if you want something a little bit more precious, because it's got a little ruffle at the end, it's got a little loom sleeve, and the little wrap is more of a curve, which is so pretty. It's so girly and the color is amazing. Like I can literally imagine this in autumn so well, and in summer now with like maybe like a denim jacket and a pair of like little mules, or when you get into winter, like the mules, and then you change it for a biker. And the final one is from Brandy Melville, which again, I know there's a whole controversy about it. Yeah, I think it's stupid about the one size fits all thingy. Anyway, they made this really cute dress, and I don't know why on the model they made it like one side flat when there's a hole for a wrap. But my sister, who has got curves, ended up like wearing this, and oh my god, it looks amazing. Like her waist is like snatched, and it's like so pretty, and it's so sexy and beautiful, and I absolutely am obsessed with it. Like, oh, they're so pretty and nice, and I love wrap dresses so much. Definitely recommend them. Next, we are gonna go on to the men's, and the first men's trend is my personal favorite. I mean, I'm wearing it right now, which is tropical prints, specifically tropical printed shirts. Now, I do follow a lot of like fashion bloggers online, on Instagram specifically, and everyone is wearing them. Like, I also follow a lot of men from the Philippines, and they have the best style, and so they just like pull it off, and I'm just like, I need that. And they just look so cool and effortless and look so tropical and summery. But the nice thing about wearing these is that you can kind of like bring it throughout the rest of the year. So like for example, the orange one I'm wearing now, which isn't really a shirt, I'm going to show you 3 separate shirts. It's really nice because you can then wear this with like darker jeans out. It's like a hint of summer. So the first one, if you're more of an Oxford shirt kind of person, like I know that like most of them are in bowler shirts, but if you're more of an Oxford shirt, then this one is straight up your tee. This is one from American Eagle ages ago, but I definitely think there's like ones that Stradivarius. I don't personally like that, but like they are more of an Oxford shirt shape, so if you prefer it. If this doesn't scream like tropical to you, I don't know what is. And I like the palm trees because it adds like a modern spice to it. It just makes it a bit more tropical, a bit more fun. The pop of red is just like so bright and in your face. But the nice thing about this red is that you can kind of wear it throughout the rest of the year, because I like red wearing it in like the middle of winter and autumn. I just think it looks so nice, and I think this is definitely a good piece if you want to kind of like mix it up a little bit. Then if you're not that confident on wearing like super bright bright colors, but if you definitely want to dabble into this trend, I would probably say this is your best bet, which is this one's from Zara, and this is so nice. I literally adore this one so much. Again, it's like nice because it's not so in your face bright like the red. These are more like muted shades, and they're still quite tropical, and there's loads of florals, but it's very romantic, and the bowler shape is so amazing. I love it so much, and also it's so flowy, so it's so nice during summer. You know when it gets like really sweaty and hot because it decided to in the UK? It's just so easy just to throw on and be like, I'm sexy and I know it. Dun, 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 dun. My last shirt I'm going to show you is just if you want more of a vintage vibe, so if you want it to be like a proper bowler shirt, then this is straight off your cup of tea, which is also from Zara, because where else do I shop, my friend? It's really cool because it's actually got the bowler stripes here in this like really beautiful like turquoise. I just really like this because it's very much like if you're not that too confident in the whole tropical print thing, but you definitely want to try it out, this is your cup of tea. And I just really like it, and I think it looks really good with a lot of pieces, and I like the teal color because then again it makes it kind of appropriate for all seasons. Then we go on back to the lady, oh that's from so good, back to women's fashion, and the other thing I'm obsessed with is paper bag. Paper bag waists are so pretty, they are so cute, and they're really good because the good thing about these is that it ends at the waist and then a little ruffle on top, which means all your attention to go straight to your waist, which makes you get more of a defined waist, and it's gonna make you look so beautiful. And the good thing is I feel like that's really good for like any type of figure. If you've got like an apple figure, like, it will then distract you from the stomach, and if you're straight it gives you a waist and all of that. Like, I just think it's really pretty. My kind of preference is skirts and shorts. For some odd reason I am not a massive fan. I mean, I love the trousers, but I just feel like they're not summery enough. They're all in like black and like grey and in checkered print, and I'm like, where's the print? Where's the color? Where? My personal favorites of this season are these shorts from Pull & Bear. I love stripes so much, and I just think this print on these shorts makes it look so summery. It is on sale as well, so you might as well go and get it. Just imagine like this with like a really nice square neck white crop top, a nice little bow to have, and then with like a pair of sandals for like when you're going to the beach. But if you're doing a city break as well, imagine you're just here like this in a denim jacket, maybe change it for like a button-up crop top, or maybe even like a high shirt, and then change it for a pair of Converse, and you've got this very cute vintage look with a little Baker Boy cap. My second favorite is a skirt from Topshop, which is so beautiful, and the way they styled it as well, like I would even preferably do that because it's so cute, and the little tie is so pretty. They actually done it with a little bow, and the little bow is so adorable and so girly. And the last one is from ASOS, which is so cute, and it's so different. It's kind of like print because most of them are like just stripes, so it's so interesting to see like polka dots and florals. And the cool thing about this is like you can kind of like play around with it and have fun, like color, make it plain, you can do a lot with it, and it's really exciting and fun. Oh, I love doing fashion videos. Oh, and the last trend for men for this video is light colored bottoms, trousers, pants, whatever you call it. Again, I've been doing my investigating as usual, and I've just been finding that a lot of like male style bloggers have actually been doing a lot of like pastel colored or light colored trousers, again from the Philippines, and even one from like this guy from New York. Oh my god, his style is impeccable, and he's been doing it as well, like a lot of like white bottoms, like darker tops and stuff like that. It's just so easy to work with, and I think it's so fun, especially for someone to embrace the lighter colors, kind of like get to dull the darker colors, so it's nice to bring up the bright. If you want to go a bit fail safe, obviously the fail safe option is a pair of white shorts. These ones are from River Island like ages ago, and they still, to me, I love them. They're just so easy to wear, and they go with everything. That's the good thing about white, is that they go with everything, and they look so cool and classic and clean and minimal. You can make them look like that, or you can do what I do, and I probably wear it with like this right now to give it more of a fun summery vibe, and like this is honestly so amazing. I love it so much. Then if you're like want to go for more pastel vibes rather than going from straight up white, then pastel pink is your way to go. These are also from American Eagle, but I'm like 1000% sure we can get them from anywhere now, and these are basically pastel pink shorts. Start me dancing with them in my last video. Yeah, but they are super comfortable. They go with a lot, and I think pastel pink is such a nice color. I think this, I've got actually 2 pastel pink trousers in my wardrobe as well, because that's how much I love pink. I just think this is such an easy color to work, and to me it goes with like blues, it goes with gray, that and gray. Oh, it just looks so brilliant, and I love it. Then if you kind of want to like dabble into print, which by the way, my friend, if you do, yes, my favorite like light colored trouser print is this one, which are from Zara. I mean, where else do I really shop? These are so cool. These are brilliant trousers and they're so nice because they're striped, but they're still they fit really well. And I love these so much. And the good thing about getting like printed trousers and stuff like that are lighter colored is that you can kind of still wear it throughout the rest of the year. Now I know with shorts you can't really, but I definitely think with trousers you can, especially like these ones because it's such like a neutral print, which is striped. You can wear with lots of things, and especially because the color's blue. This with like yellow looks brilliant. This in purple looks really nice. This in red looks really good. But I'd probably say if you want to go more autumn winter, like dark colors like berries and teals and stuff like that, these trousers are honestly amazing. That is the video for you. So if you did enjoy this video, comment down if you want any more. Please like, subscribe, share. You know what to do, and I shall see you guys very, very soon. Yeah. Cheers. Adios. Goodbye.